YouTube, Wagwan, what's up, all that good stuff. Yo, tell a friend, check out my Instagram, like, share, all that goodness. But right now, as this video proceeds, I wasn't able to attend this meet, but my dog them and my brethren them, they got some footage for me and capture. So I'm going to share it with you guys because, you know, they're technically my video crew now. So you'll start to see more of my friends and other people in my videos, and somebody will be getting content for me and you're just going to hear me being like a voiceover, speak over, or technically I'll be there too. But this one I wasn't able to attend, but we get some footage of some nice E30s, E36s and stuff like that. It was basically like a charity meet for a gentleman who had cancer, so I definitely want to put it out and share, and I'll put the links of the car group in it as well. So yo, stay tuned, watch that video. I like the support that I'm receiving. Hope it continues. I'm gonna say yo, like, share, comment, check out the YouTube, other videos that I have, check out my Instagram. You understand? So vibe up the thing as we proceed.
Alright, so here we go. So we had
if you watch the Super Bowl DoorDash, oh yeah? No, sorry, I didn't mean to call you. That was ago.
the turnout, right?
Sorry, that's right.